Hello folks, hope you're all doing great. In this short video I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum ETH from your Coinbase account to your MetaMask wallet. If you want to know more about MetaMask, there is a complete tutorial from beginning till the end, how to use properly MetaMask and how to set up your account, so you can watch that one as well. And in here specifically we are going to transfer some Ethereum from Coinbase to MetaMask. Here it is, my Coinbase account. When I click my assets here, I have around 91.72 US dollar worth of Ethereum. So just click send or receive. Here it is. Pay with Ethereum. Of course you are sending Ethereum, and send all. I don't want to send all, just out of 91 US dollar worth of Ethereum, $82 is available for sending. I want to send only 50 US dollar worth of Ethereum, and pay with Ethereum, of course. And here you need to type the address, the wallet address. Here I go to my MetaMask wallet. Make sure that you selected Ethereum mainnet, not Polygon, not any other network. Here just copy the address, go back to your MetaMask account and paste that. In here you can just give a message. You can say test transfer. One thing about transferring cryptos from one account to another, from an exchange to your wallet, make sure firstly send a small amount just to make sure everything is going smoothly, and then if everything goes smoothly, then you can transfer as much as you want. But at the beginning, make sure to transfer a small amount. And of course you are supposed to pay a small fee, which is gas fee. Alright, so just click continue. This is the address, test transfer, and the network fee, and 52 US dollars. So for 50 US dollar you're paying around 2.65 US dollar fee, and just send now. The transaction usually takes less than 10 minutes. So send 50 US dollar to this address and click done. At the moment you can see we have only 29 worth of US dollar worth of Ethereum. If I click on Ethereum specifically and I go to the wallet, here I will see the transactions. Here this is the amount of Ethereum which I sent to my MetaMask wallet. Alright, I just received a notification on my mobile. Yeah, here it is a screenshot, I just put it here. Alright, so this was just a short video on how to transfer Ethereum from Coinbase or any other exchange to your MetaMask wallet. It's almost the same. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Every now and then I'm uploading this kind of videos. I'm sure you're gonna find my content extremely useful, and please hit the like button. It will help the channel to grow according to the YouTube algorithm. And thank you all. Have a good time. Bye bye.